support and remarkable class directors for their patience. And special thank you to the maintenance staff for their hard work behind the scenes. Thank you also to our music teacher, Sir Paul. We cannot forget to express our gratitude also to our esteemed school directress, Mrs. Corteza. As we conclude, a few important reminders. We would like to remind everyone to join us. Join us for our exciting summer enhancement program. We have a wide array of engaging educational activities planned for preschoolers. Our summer program includes English, Filipino, writing, mathematics, and reading. We also have arts and craft, science exploration, and music, including violin, piano, and voice lessons. Don't miss out on our Grow Abacus also for children ages 7 and up. We also have Taekwondo class with Mr. Jojo Castro. For queries, please ask from our front desk officer, Miss Lania. Children will come down. The classes of Miss Sarabia and Miss Sevilla and Miss Cadornigara from the entrance door. Okay, classes of Miss Sarabia, Miss Sevilla, and Miss